Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve offline on Gmail, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps. We'll search here, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.